Hi, Maya. My name is Isa O'Hara with Media Magic Marketing, and I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at this video. I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do today to help improve your search results using the Google organic listings. So first, I just wanted to kind of show you your website, which you obviously see, and it's beautiful. This picture, I absolutely love it. The water with the mountains and the rocks, it's just amazing. And you really just captured the spirit of that moment. I can feel the emotion that is involved there. And you have all of your awards here on the main page, along with a way to contact you and all the good stuff here. So we have the about. Photographers tend to not have a lot of written content on their pages because the pictures speak for themselves, which these are gorgeous. Google does look at the written content on websites to help with rankings and to give authority to a website. So if possible, I would recommend adding more content on here, maybe having it in a way that you like put some pictures together and talk about maybe this event or the type of event and how that works. And in that, then you can incorporate some keywords that people would be searching for that could give you some more business through your website. Because this website is an incredible investment and should be bringing you a lot of business because you're really good. I wanted to show you here the just the Google search results. So I just searched for wedding photographer in El Paso, Texas. And the first part you see here is the Google Map Pack. So this is like when you do, restaurants near me or grocery stores near me. That's what will show up here in the Google Map Pack. And so when you get verified with Google, which I believe you are because you do show up fifth in the Google Map Pack, we would love to see you showing up in the top 3 because we find that about 30% of the organic business will come through that Google Map Pack and 70% will come through these organic search results down here. So in the organic search results, of course, we're going to have the Knot, Wedding Wire, and Wedding Rule, which you obviously are a part of because you won all those awards. But down below that, we have just the organic results. We have Ed Louis, we have Wedding Expressions, Stephanie Lemaire, Eventective, I guess like a detective, but with an event. Expertise, and then you are, I don't see you, so we're down to number 20, and I'm still not seeing you in the organic list. And there's ways to fix that are pretty easy. So let me come over and show you the wedding expressions because they ranked number 2 in the organic search result. And so you can see their website didn't have a lot of content on it either. So by adding that content, it's going to elevate your authority in the space and bring you up, especially when you have the right mixture of content with keywords. You don't want to just put keywords. Google looks at that as being spammy, but you want to have a good ratio of about 150 words to each keyword that you put on your website. You can even hide that content behind your pictures, make it metadata behind your photos. So if you don't want to have the content on your page itself, then you can do that. They do look at that as content. And so you can see that their pictures are beautiful as well. And it's, but it'd be very, very simple just to add that content and you could start to outrank them in the keywords. I use a software called Ahrefs to help me analyze websites. And so here I have wedding expressions that I'm analyzing. And we look at a couple of things. One is this UR to DR rating. The UR tells me that that's the trust rating that Google gives you. And so there's just 28, which is good. And then their DR is 9, and that's the power rating. So that's more about quality things going on behind the scenes. What we like to see is these 2 numbers close together. So these are actually pretty far apart. That's almost 20 points apart. We would like to see that come together a little bit, have it more like, 28 to 25 or, 28 to 30, something like that in that neighborhood. They have a lot of backlinks. And they even had even more at one time. They had over 4,000 backlinks. So the backlinks are where other websites are pointing to you. And so that's things like Facebook or Instagram or a blog post by another person coming back to your website. And so you can, if I were you, I would encourage your clients to post about their um, experience with you, and then tag your website in that, so that way you get those backlinks. Also the referring domains, and so this is unique domains linking to you. So this is part of the reason why their DR is low, is because their referring domains is only 78, but they have 704 backlinks. So I haven't dug into what their backlinks are, but not all links are created equal. You want to have good quality links. You don't want to just get out on one of those sites that just is a linking site that's a spammy link, and that doesn't help you at all. Now, other thing they do have is they have 428 keywords on their site, even though they don't have a lot of text. And so they're probably hiding those keywords behind their pictures and have it in other places like blog posts, things like that. And so what this amounts to is 35 leads that come in a month for them because of all of this. And so that gives them up, but Google says this is the estimate of the value of each one of those. So $14 each. I'm not sure how accurate that is, because I know wedding photography is very high dollar and very valuable. And so I know it's an investment that the brides and the grooms do, because that's the thing that you have left behind after the wedding, after the party's all done and things are cleaned up. And now for your website, I've put that into my little tool here, and you can see that your UR is 14 and your DR is 2. So you're just 12. The difference is just 12. And the UR, we don't even really have to improve that. If we improve this DR, that will organically increase your rating in the organic search results. You have 54 backlinks. You have 54 people pointing back to you. So I'm sure that that's folks that are super happy with your services, because you've gotten some great reviews, and from 12 different referring domains. And then you only have the 27 keywords on your site. This is an area I would really ramp that up and get that content with the keywords on that main page, and even on some of your sub pages if you wanted to start a blog, or maybe even start talking about different wedding venues, things like that, to help bump up that rating. And then they should be able to, then they of course, people like that, they like to be mentioned and things. So what this amounts to is basically one lead a month coming in for your from your website. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just to kind of recap, I would add more words to your homepage. Google likes about 1,500. You don't need to add that many. Just if you added a few hundred more, that would really help, along with some keywords, with that ratio of 150 words to about one keyword, as well as getting those backlinks ranked up, and having some more referring domains. So not just Facebook or Instagram, but maybe getting some blog posts or guest posts, or looking at Google News Network, things like that. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I look forward to hearing from you and what you thought about the video. Thank you.